Our mission is to promote freedom for everyone. And so learning about how people made their way to freedom and the trials that they had to encounter and how they dealt with those trials, I think is really amazing. This history is the history of upstate New York. This museum really highlights what people did under what I would call some rather extraordinary activities. Everyone, every person wants to be able to have freedom, to have a safe place, and to actually want to grow and prosper. So I think our museum represents some of that. We are talking about people who really didn't have those opportunities. The takeaway is to try to make sure everyone else around you have those opportunities.